welcome back to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie, and for today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this bold blue look. Obviously, I felt like going colorful today, so I hope you guys like it. I have never done so much blue in my eyes. This video, I'm gonna be using some new things that I've never tried before and some older things that I haven't used in a while. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Alright guys, so for this video, I'm gonna jump straight to the eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do my face or my concealer. This is gonna be a colorful look. I'd rather just clean up the fallout that's gonna happen before I put my foundation, just so it's like a clean slate. I'm gonna start off and prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple. I love using this concealer because not only for my dark circles but for priming my eyelid, it's so perfect. It's so pigmented too. Every time she has like that 2 for, I think it's 30 sale, I always take advantage of it because I love the formula of her concealers. I'm not gonna set the concealer, I'm just gonna go straight in with the eyeshadow. And for this look, I'm gonna be using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. And when I've used this eyeshadow palette, I've noticed that it's best to just apply it directly to the primer or the concealer, whichever one you guys use. So for today, we're gonna start off with the color Damage Control. And I'm using my Luxie 131 brush. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can get a better look. Alright, so now that I tightly pressed the eyeshadow to my lid, I'm gonna grab my favorite blending brush, the Alamar Cosmetics. I'm gonna blend out the edges to soften them. Now that we're done blending the teal eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the shade Karaoke, this beautiful indigo blue color, and just apply it right next to the teal color. Alright, so I just wiped away a little bit of the fallout. I do have to say that the royal blue color Karaoke is a little bit harder to blend out on the edges than the shade Damage Control, the light blue teal shade. But as you can see, like, they're super pigmented. What I did learn, obviously, you just have to go in ahead and place it on the concealer or the primer that you're using, because if not, it'll probably not be so pigmented. Alright, so for the next shade, I'm gonna actually go in her other eyeshadow palette, the OG Cat's Pajamas eyeshadow palette. And I'm so sad because it actually failed a couple of months ago, and those 2 shades right there are completely destroyed. I just haven't had the time to fix it. So when I show you guys the next color, I'm gonna try to open it as delicately as I can so the powder doesn't fly off into the floor and before I get the chance to even try to fix it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I just squeeze a little bit out of the tube into my hand. And I'm gonna use this synthetic, more detailed brush, and I'm just going to carve out the lid area. Alright, so with another synthetic brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Redonky, this right here, and just apply it where I just applied my primer. Alright, so now that I put the orange color, I'm just gonna go back in with the Party Animal palette in the shade Karaoke. Alright, so I'm not completely done with the eye look yet, but so far, what do you guys think? This is the first time I've ever done something like this. I am so like nervous and I'm excited. I love it so much. It looks so pretty and colorful. So hopefully once I apply the rest of my face, it'll look amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer, and I'm gonna use Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. I've been loving this primer so much since I got it. It just like refreshes my skin so well, and it's not oily or anything. So I feel like my face really like soaks up the moisture in this primer. primer. I don't have too many pores, but when I apply the foundation on top of it, it still looks flawless, completely flawless. So it's definitely a really good primer. So this video is kind of a test out for this new foundation that I bought. I had never tried it before and I've been wanting to use it forever, and it is the Smashbox 15-hour wear. I've been wanting to try this foundation out for the longest time ever, and finally I was able to purchase it, and the color that I'll be using today is 2.4. So if you guys don't know, I have pretty dry skin and I've heard nothing but good things about this foundation for people who have more of a dry skin like me. So I am so excited to try it out and see if it's my new holy grail. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Y6. Alright, now that the foundation is applied, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm just gonna use this little beauty blender that came with the concealer. I love me some full coverage concealer. I love the Shape Tape, and I know you guys probably do, so I'm not even gonna spend my time talking about it because it's amazing. Alright, so the next product that I'm gonna use is something that is also new to me that I was able to pick up at Sephora, and it's the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Yeah, I'm probably the last person on earth to ever try this out, but there's so much hype about it, and almost all the YouTubers that I watch obsess over this, so I have to try this out. So just by one swipe, I can already say that this is absolutely amazing. It literally looks like you have no powder on your face, which is super important to me because I've used some previous setting powders that you can so clearly tell that I'm wearing powder under my dark circles. But with this one, it just looks completely natural. I'm not surprised why everyone is obsessed with it now. Holy moly. So yeah, there's definitely a reason why everybody is obsessed with this powder. It's absolutely amazing. Holy crap, it feels amazing, and my face looks like so natural, and you can't even tell that I'm wearing a powder right now. Now I'm screwed because I am gonna compare every single setting powders to this one. Alright, so now that we're done setting the face, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna go in with the Cat's Pajamas palette. I'm gonna go in with Cray Cray and use it on my lower lash line. Alright, and for the fun part, I'm gonna use the Cookie Cosmetics eyeliner in Royal Blue. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite lashes, and they're actually from Aceredo Cosmetics, and these are in Doll. Alright, so before I apply my mascara, I'm gonna apply my NYX matte liner, just a thin layer and a little wing too. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, so I applied my mascara. What do you guys think? It looks so pretty, but it's very bold, obviously, so I'm not used to usually wearing blue eyeshadow colors, so hopefully you guys like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm gonna use the Tarte bronzer in Hotel Heiress. Alright, now that I applied my bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlights. And this is a highlight that I got in one of my Yes or Yes bags, and I've been really loving it. It's from a brand called Mirabella or Mirabella, and it's in the shade Swirling Pearl. So this highlight is so amazing, if you guys can tell, as I was applying it. It's very, very shimmery. I really like it. It's super cute, and it's a brand that I've never heard before, so I just want to give them a quick shout out because your highlighter is awesome. Alright guys, we're almost done, I promise. I know this video is probably like a million years long, but we're almost done, I promise. Just to finish it off, I'm gonna use these two Kylie Cosmetics lippies. The lighter one is Shopaholic and the brown one is Trendy. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I know it's been a really long video and it's such a crazy bold look, so I am so excited to see what you guys think and hopefully you guys like it. I'll definitely be trying to perfect this look and maybe use different colors. If you guys suggest any videos, please let me know. I'm open for suggestions, you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video if you like it. And I'm also gonna leave my social media handles above so you guys can follow me and see when my next video is gonna come up. I promise the next video is gonna be a more simple look, I promise, so no worries about that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed and like this look. All the products that I used I love, obviously. You guys can definitely check out any of these products, they are awesome. I just want to thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me and subscribing and liking my videos. It means so much to me and I'm really grateful for you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye guys.